same problems that ended our world on Earth. Go now. Start over. Initiating trimester 1.
These children are the future of humanity. You will raise these children to be atheists.
It was belief in the unreal that destroyed the Earth.
Our enemies built an ark, which is now headed here. The only known planet where humans can survive.
And should the Mithraik's Ark ever make it here, you will not listen to their words. They believe that allowing androids to raise human children is a sin.
We must rescue our stolen children.
Do not tell them what I am.
I want to talk to you. Without the android for a sec.
She's not an
Yes, she is.
She's holding them captive.
He needs to be with other humans.
I thought we were in sync, Father.
We've increasingly taken to impulses.
How many people did you kill on Earth, Mother?
You are all my children. I'm only here to protect you.
She's the most powerful weapon on this planet.
We gotta destroy her.
What do you want?
I want my children to be safe.
The